Volcano safety do's and don'ts. Always have an emergency kit prepared with a flashlight, food for at least 3 days, a first aid kit, and blankets. Make sure to take all important financial records and important documents with you before evacuating. Check to see what your local volcano emergency evacuation route is and understand where you need to go in this emergency. When considering buying a home, it may not be a great idea to buy a house near a volcano in the first place, for obvious reasons. Coordinate with your neighbors about creating an immediate escape route. Having everybody on the same page is a good way to avoid panic. Lava flows can reach temperatures of up to 2200 degrees Fahrenheit, so don't do what this guy's doing, and in fact, just avoid erupting volcanoes altogether. Check your local seismic activity charts that can be available online at least once every couple days, and keep your car's fuel tank relatively full when seismic activity increases. Consider purchasing volcano insurance to avoid long-term financial difficulties. But most of all, don't panic. Panicking will only bring stress and will cause you to make mistakes.